Well, it's been nearly a year since Bahamian troops were first deployed as part of that multinational effort to stabilize Haiti. The Royal Bahamas Defense Forces Commodore sat with us in an exclusive interview at the Ministry of National Security, where he provided an update on the country's continued support and presence on the ground in that troubled island nation. Lyle Maycock has the story.
We are actively monitoring developments on the ground in Haiti, especially as the current United Nations mandate on Haiti is set to expire in October.
In a rare one-on-one interview, the newly minted Commodore Floyd Moxey reaffirmed the Bahamas' security commitment to Haiti, where 3 Bahamian officers are stationed. This as the situation in Haiti continues to worsen.
They are working closely with the CARICOM and international partners to support the Haitian National Police in their effort to help restore peace and stability.
The Bahamas initially pledged 150 Marines to assist the Kenyan-led, UN-supported multinational security force. However, the violence persists as Haitian gangs appear relentless and now control more than 80% of Port-au-Prince and many areas of the countryside. Our recent advisories warn against travel advisories in and around Haiti. Officials say military operations continue. Regarding the 3 officers in Haiti, Commodore Moxey said this.
We are satisfied that their well-being being taken care of. Regarding the situation in Haiti, we understand the concern it may raise, particularly for our deployed personnel, their families, and by extension the wider Bahamian community. But it is important to clarify that this advisory is intended for civilian travel and private business activity.
And more officers could be deployed.
They are doing the United Nations human rights training. They are doing all the medical vetting, just in case that we are directed to deploy, that we will be in a position to do so.
The Royal Bahamas Defense Force remains committed to supporting regional stability as officials monitor the situation in Haiti and prepare for any shifts on ground. Reporting for the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Lyle Maycock.